friends and families, how are you all doing? It's your girl Estelle and I hope you're all doing good. So my friends, I'm back this week with a quick and a simple recipe to share with you. It is my all-time favorite street food from the Ivory Coast, Cote d'Ivoire, where I was brought up. It's called Alloco and bouillir d'Oeufs, which simply means fried plantain with boiled eggs and a side sauce. And I'm pretty sure if you watch the video till the end, you will love this recipe and you will want to give it a try. So my friends, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So friends and families, to get started, I've got 5 yellow plantain. This is how the plantain actually looks like. For those of you who doesn't know, the plantain comes in 2 different stages of ripeness. You can get them in green and yellow. The green one is slightly harder, which is ideal for making ragu or plantain chips. And the yellow one is softer, which is ideal for making your alloco, fried plantain. Now, when it comes to cutting your plantain, I will recommend not to use a sharp knife, as I'm going to show you the way I was taught how to cut the plantain. And if you use a sharp knife, you will probably cut your fingers. So make sure you use a knife that is suitable to cut your plantain, but not a sharp knife. Now I'm going to show you 2 ways of how to cut your plantain prior to frying. The first one, I will cut it into cubes, and the second one, I will cut it into slices.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a road. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung.
Et voila! There you have it, guys. Our plantain is ready for frying. Yay!
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
And next, all what we need is some oil for frying. And I've also got some eggs, which I'm going to use to hard boil to go along with our alloco, or fried plantain should I say. Okay guys, now it's time to start frying our plantain. Set the fire on a medium to high heat, then wait until the oil reaches temperature. Then fry your plantain until golden, and if possible taste one first to make sure it's cooked to your desired taste before removing it.
Beauty Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a roll.
So guys, now that we have finished frying our plantain, I'm also going to hard boil the eggs, and once they are hard boiled, turn the fire off and let it cool down. And ta-da guys, there you have it. Our fried plantain and boiled eggs is ready, and it's time to taste it now. Yummy. The smell is amazing, guys. I wish you guys were here to share this delicious dish with me. Unfortunately, it's not the case, but at least you got the recipe now. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section below how it has turned out. I'm pretty sure you would love this. Alright friends and families, this brings the end to our today's video. If you've liked the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment if you ever tried the recipe to let me know how it turns out. And also share the video with your families and friends. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning up. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and also share the video with your families and friends. Okay guys, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.